psychologists earn. They earn ranging from to 1 lakh per month. Good opportunities like government के साथ अगर आप काम कर रहे हो तो it will increase. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since a lot of you have been studying psychology since a while now and you guys are stuck कि अब इसके आगे क्या करें, डिग्री तो हाथ में आ गई बट कोई जॉब नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, व्हाट टू डू. ऑल्सो 12th क्लास का रिजल्ट आया है, काफ़ी लोगों ने 11th-12th में भी साइकोलॉजी पढ़ी थी बट दे आर कन्फ्यूज्ड कि वेदर टू डू ग्रेजुएशन इन इट और नॉट. ग्रेजुएशन कर भी लेते हैं तो आगे बेनिफिट क्या है, लाइक देर आर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन योर हेड. और मेरे पास भी बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस थे until I talked to somebody and who cleared my doubts. So today in this video we are going to talk about the career in psychology, the life skills you need to build a career in psychology, and everything, every question that will come into my mind I will answer here. So in this video we are going to talk about career path, career opportunities, life skills, salaries to become a successful psychologist. So let's get started. तो सबसे पहले what does a psychologist actually do? A lot of us, a lot of you think that psychologist का क्या काम होता है, सिर्फ एक काउच पर बैठना और बातें सुनना और सॉल्यूशन देना. फर्स्ट, हम सॉल्यूशन नहीं देते, we just guide our clients through their life, right? Second, psychology is the scientific study of human mind and human behavior. Psychologists can do many things depending on their specialization, and these days psychology is present in everywhere, whether it's sports, child, organization, schools, NGOs, hospitals, private clinics, everywhere psychologist का काम है. Now let's talk about the career path and the education level needed for each type of a psychologist, beginning with clinical psychologist. सबसे पहले clinical psychologist कहाँ काम करते हैं? They work at hospitals, they work at clinics, they work at private practices अपना अलग से clinic खोलकर, and they also work in collaboration with psychiatrists. Now, what does actually a clinical psychologist do? So basically they treat and diagnose mental illness like OCD, anxiety disorder, depression, schizophrenia, like disorders like these. Now, the educational background and requirements of a clinical psychologist are 11th-12th में psychology होना बहुत compulsory नहीं है, but it's better अगर हो क्योंकि बहुत सारे basic concepts clear हो जाते हैं. Then ग्रेजुएशन में साइकोलॉजी बहुत अच्छी बात है अगर कर लो, बिकॉज बहुत लोग सिर्फ मास्टर्स करने आ जाता है विच एक्चुअली डजंट मेक सेंस. तो ग्रेजुएशन में साइकोलॉजी कर ही लो एंड देन मास्टर्स में आइदर डू MSc क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी विच आई डिड और MA क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी. नेक्स्ट वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज MPhil. MPhil क्यों करना है? MPhil करने के बाद ही आप एक क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट कहलाओगे. अगर आप MSc क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी कर भी लेते हो, you'll only be a psychologist, not a clinical psychologist. So you have to do MPhil to get RCI approved and licensed. तो हमने who is a clinical psychologist, what does they do, कहाँ काम कर सकते हैं, and their educational qualifications के बारे में बात कर ली. अब सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, ये लोग कितना कमाते हैं, सबको इसकी पड़ी है. तो क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट कैन अर्न रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 20K to 60K पर मंथ. 20K बहुत मतलब मिनिमम है, लेकिन इससे तो ज़्यादा ही आप कमा लोगे. तो यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक योर प्राइवेट सेशंस एंड एक सेशन की पर सेशन की फीस होती है रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 500 to 2000. तो this is how a clinical psychologist earn, and this is how much a clinical psychologist earn. Next we have counseling psychologist. So beginning with counseling psychologist कहाँ काम कर सकता है? They can work at hospitals collaboration में, they can also work in private clinics collaboration में, they can also work at NGO schools, they can also take online therapy sessions, they can also work with psychiatrists and clinical psychologists. Now what actually does a counseling psychologist do? ठीक है, so they focus more on emotional challenges like relationship problems and stress and day-to-day life stress like breakup and all. So they focus on such kinds of problems. Next is educational qualification of a counseling psychologist. तो 11th 12th में साइकोलॉजी हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, वरना काफ़ी स्कूल्स में नहीं होती है. देन ग्रेजुएशन में इट्स अ मस्ट, आइदर यू डू BA honors or BSc in psychology, and then comes masters, which is very crucial and the last stage of a counseling psychology की पढ़ाई. तो either MA MSc in applied psychology, और इसके बाद a few courses will go a long way, either diploma or courses like these. Next, how much does a counseling psychologist earn? See, it can range from starting from 15,000 to 50,000 per month. And when you are also taking your private sessions, either online or at a clinic, but individually when you're taking a session, so आपका जो per session का amount है, that depends solely on you and your experience, ranging from, like I said, 500 to 2000, and कई बार तो इससे भी ज़्यादा ले charge करते हैं लोग, but that sounds very unrealistic to me. Next, we have very interesting organizational psychologists. So how do they work? They work in collaboration with HR for the employees, basically in corporate settings ranging from big MNCs to small startups, because they help employees to manage stress and track their performance and help them to go about leadership and other corporate issues. Now, educational qualification of an organizational psychologist. So 11th 12th में psychology हो तो well and good, like मैं बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ. Graduation psychology में करना compulsory है. इसके बाद either you do masters in organizational psychology or masters in industrial psychology, and then you will be an organizational psychologist. Now, how much does an organizational psychologist earn? They earn ranging from 30K to 1 lakh per month, depending on the need of the employer, need of the corporate company. Next, again, we have very interesting, that is forensic psychologist. So how do they work? What do they actually do? They work with police, crime branch, they work with courts, they work with lawyers. And what do they actually do? So they help police and investigators understand the mindset of a criminal, evaluate accused, and solve a crime. Now, the educational qualification of a forensic psychologist, like I said, 11th 12th में हो तो very good, then graduation में होनी चाहिए, और MSc MA in psychology, and then very must training or diploma course in forensic psychology. Now, how much does a forensic psychologist earn? They earn ranging from 30,000 to 65,000 per month, and with experience and with good opportunities like गवर्नमेंट के साथ अगर आप काम कर रहे हो तो इट विल इंक्रीज. नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजिस्ट. इट्स अगेन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, और जिसको स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है, साइकोलॉजी में भी इंटरेस्ट है, इट्स अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन फॉर देम. तो what do actually sports psychologists do? They work with athletes to improve their motivation, focus, and their mental health, and also cater to their emotional needs. And how do they work? So usually cricket teams, Olympic teams, or academics hire them फॉर देयर वर्क. वो देयर एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन, हमारे इंडिया में तो कोई ऐसे स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजी का स्पेसिफिक ग्रेजुएशन मास्टर्स का कोई कोर्स नहीं है. सो 11th 12th में होनी चाहिए, ग्रेजुएशन में होनी चाहिए, मास्टर्स किसी भी साइकोलॉजी कोर्स में कर लो. इसके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है एक डिप्लोमा या प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग इन स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजी. एंड हाउ मच डू दे अर्न? टिपिकली लाइक दे अर्न वेरी गुड. अगर अच्छी जगह हायर होते हो तो दे अर्न from starting from 40,000 to lakhs per month. Next, we have child psychologists. So where do they work? They work in hospitals, clinics, schools, and private child development centers. Now, how do they work? Basically, they work with children with ADHD, autism, and learning disorders. They earn ranging from 25,000 to 50,000, and based on your experience and your specialization, this amount may increase. And educational qualification of a child psychologist are basic 11 12 की psychology, graduation in psychology, masters MSc in psychology, and specialization training course or a diploma course in child psychology. So these are basically the fields in psychology. There are more, but these were the more basic and more famous ones. So as we see, सिर्फ psychologist का काम एक clinic center तक limited नहीं है. They work in different fields like schools, hospitals, private clinics, laws, courtrooms, even on the ground, playgrounds. So psychologist का काम सिर्फ बैठकर सुनना नहीं है. They have much more role in every field of life. Now let's say you want to become a psychologist. So step by step कैसे psychologist बनना जाए. 11th 12th में अगर आपके पास psychology है, so it's very good. ग्रेजुएशन में आपने पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है साइकोलॉजी में. Either you do BA program like what I did, you do BA honors और BSc in psychology. तो ये 3 साल का कोर्स होता है. कुछ कुछ कॉलेजेस में जैसे क्राइस्ट है 4 साल का भी ऑप्शन है. So best college for graduation in psychology, I will always say Delhi University topper. Then we have TIS, we have BHU, we have Symbiosis, we have Christ. Christ का curriculum is very good but बहुत strict है. So I usually never recommend graduation वाले बच्चे कि Christ में जाओ because school इतना strict होता है. उसके बाद फिर तुम stricter place पे चले जाओगे. For me, I think Delhi University is the best. अगर ग्रेजुएशन आपको किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में करनी है, फर्स्ट बेस्ट फैकल्टी मिलती है, सेकंड बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल है, थर्ड आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हो. टीचर्स अच्छे हैं बट आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम कॉलेज आपको बहुत सारा फ्री टाइम भी मिलता है. सो या नेक्स्ट, you if you have to become a full-fledged psychologist, next we have masters, of course. Either you do applied psychology, MSc clinical or counseling, or MA psychology. Then basically masters in psychology करके you will be a psychologist. No specialization, nothing like clinical or forensic child or something, but you will be a psychologist. अब अगर आपने clinical psychologist बनना है तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्लिनिकल वाले बच्चे जिन्होंने MSc क्लिनिकल करी हुई है, सिर्फ वही लोग MPhil कर सकते हैं. To pursue masters in psychology, best colleges in India are Delhi University, of course. Then we have Christ. Christ का curriculum is very good. Then we have TIST, we have BHU, we have Symbiosis, we have Ferguson College, we have Jamia Millia Islamia. So there are a lot of options. And if you want to pursue MPhil, we have the top institutes like NIMHANS, we have Ibhas, we have RML, we have CIP Ranchi, and other famous institutes. And when we talk about the salary of a psychologist, so I know it is a little lesser in India, and beginning सैलरी तो बहुत ही कम होती है, like 15 20K 30K per month, but eventually it will increase. And I know it takes time to grow and develop in psychology and earn money in psychology, but trust me, it's a good field and you'll eventually feel better by helping other individuals. And it's not like you'll get rich overnight, but you'll get there. You'll surely get there. Now, if we talk about non-traditional psychology fields, we have psychology content creator just like me. You can create content on psychology. Once you have the knowledge, you will create good content. Then we have psychology based life coaches and career coaches. Then we have research field as well. So there are a lot of options, and we also have book writers. You can also write book once you have a good knowledge of psychology. Like सब लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं, but again, it's an option. So the whole gist is that if you combine your creativity with the field of psychology, you'll get a lot in return, because इस time पे the career of psychology is reaching peaks and is in demand. And remember that psychology is not just a subject, but is a lens to see life in different view, and to help individuals and to make this world a better place to live. And if you want to choose this path, do comment which field you are excited about most and which field interests you the most. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.